Hi, it's Claire from Clare's Food Haven. I'm going to be making my Hunger Buster sausage and bacon sandwich. I'm using smoked back bacon from Stephen Crowley's Butchers and pork sausages from Stephen Crowley's Butchers. So I'm really excited about this. First step, I'm going to be using 2 frying pans. Got the small frying pan on, put that onto 4 or 5 on the hob. I'm going to take 4 of these gorgeous pork links or pork sausages. Stab them, put a little bit of oil in the pan to fry them. I'm making enough for 2 sandwiches here, so this is for 2 people, and it is a Hunger Buster, so it is. These are good sized sausages. These. Just stab the sausages, cook them first for a good 5 minutes on quite a high heat. So the sausages have had a head start. They've been frying for a good 7 minutes now. I'm going to turn the other hob on, get it ready for the bacon, put that up to 4. These are looking great. A little bit of oil in the pan for the bacon. I'm going to add 4 rashers. So Errol and I will be having 2 rashers each. This is smoked back bacon from the local butcher. It is lovely. It's got less water in it than the supermarket bacon, so it goes a little bit further, you know. And this meat has been produced locally in Dumfries and Galloway and processed in Dumfries and Galloway, so that's amazing. These sausages are cooking great. Going to leave that cooking in the pan for about 5 minutes. Cooking for a few more minutes. It smells amazing. I'm just going to turn the bacon. I'm going to turn the sausages as well, and maybe turn them down a little bit because they are looking good. Been cooking for a few more minutes. I'm going to get my bread ready now. Errol doesn't want bread with hers. Errol's not as keen on bread as I am. So I'm going to have my bacon and sausages in a sandwich, and Errol would rather have a fried egg with hers. So I'm going to put the egg in the pan now. I'm going to fry the egg in the same pan as the bacon. So there's a bit more space in there to put the egg. Simmering away, nice and happy. Just going to flip it and so that egg isn't, yeah, it's looking good. Just going to leave that to cook for a few minutes. Been cooking a few more minutes. I'm going to get a little bit of this hot oil on a teaspoon here and just put that on top of the yolk of the egg there to help cook it a little bit. There we go. Been cooking for a few more minutes. It's time to turn the hobs off and dish this food out. Bacon's looking really good. It's like it with a bit of crisp on it, especially on the rind there. Oh wow. The egg has overcooked a little bit, so I'm just going to dish that out now onto Elle's plate. She's also going to have a couple of bits of bacon. And her sausages. There we go. Nice big sausages. Lovely. I'm going to cut the sausages in half before I put them onto the bread. So I've cut the sausages in half. I'm going to add the bacon on top. And I like to have it with a little bit of ketchup. A little bit there, the bread on top, and then cut this in half. There we go. My bacon and sausage Hunger Buster. And here's Errol's. She had hers with the egg on.